Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.4 question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Right? Number 1. Number 1 you see, the number 1 is number 1. What is that? That you are elder today than yesterday. Right? That means it is certain to happen. Right? That it can be said that it is certain to happen. Right? That is, it is certain to happen. It is certain. It is certain to happen. Right? That is, you are older today than yesterday. Right? It is certain to happen. Now, question number two is question number two is a tossed coin will land heads up. Right? That it may or may not be. That is, that means you can write it can happen but not certain. It can happen. It can happen. It can happen but not certain. But not certain. It can happen but not certain. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is question number 3 is a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. 8. You know that a die has only maximum dot is 6. Here is given that a die when tossed shall land up with 8 top. That means it is impossible. Right? That is, it is impossible. It is impossible. It is impossible. It is impossible. Right? Question number 3. Now question number 4 is, what do you see? Question number 4. Question number 4 is the next traffic light seen will be green. Right? Here it is also you can say that it can happen but not certain. Right? It can happen. It can happen. It can happen. It can happen but not certain. But not certain. Not certain. It can happen but not certain. This is question number 4. Question number 5. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Question number 5 is tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Right? Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Right? Here also you can say that it can happen but not certain. That it can happen. It can happen. It can happen but not certain. But not certain. It can happen but not certain. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.